This video is sponsored by Wix.com. Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Ignace Aleya and welcome to the Creator Galaxy Space Station. Here in space, we are experimenting with intergalactic filmmaking skills and visual effects. In today's video, we're going to approach something different, but yet very important. Everyone who is a brand, a personality, or just does anything should own a website. And not everybody knows how to code or make complex things. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to create your own personal website using Wix.com, and I'm going to be showing you step by step. Alright, so let's go to Wix.com, and here is where you'll get started. So you just press get started. I'm going to continue with Google. And then you'll get to this page. Anyway, you can either skip this part or just let's do it. I think it's better if you just do it. If you're not very familiar with web design, they will basically ask you a ton of questions, and based on these questions that you answered, they will help you with the design and the structure of your website. So I want to create a website for myself. This should be a business. I've actually created sites professionally, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just say that I didn't. So I built a few websites like so. I think that's for most people. So we'll choose a template to start from. We're going to look for something that is for a personality. So I want to make a website about me as a creator. Personality is kind of a business. It's kind of about video. It's also, I want it to be kind of designer-like. So it's really hard to pick something. I think video will be a good start. That's a really cool one, but a little bit too many videos. I just want to show off my work as some kind of portfolio. I think I want to work with some kind of big video because that's what the channel is about. So I'll be taking this. All right. So edit this website. Okay, so you can look at the video, but we'll start right away. So right here we have the video. I'm going to manage the videos. And so you can either upload your own video or use a YouTube URL. I actually have this one video that I really enjoyed making, and that's going to space, which was one of our last videos in 2019. So I'm going to add this video. You can do so many things. You can even do live streams, video insights, which will probably give you all the details of how many times has your video been watched on the website and stuff like that. So that's really cool to have all these options available for you, but of course no sets available yet. So we have our video. We can just select that one. Okay, you can give it a different title, tags. I think everything is okay. I want this to be a free video. Anyone can watch it, and you can even give some credits. This is crazy how detailed this builder has become. I have known it for a few years now, and it's just, they don't know where to stop. They just keep leveling up their game, which is awesome to see. So we can close this. And there we have our video with the thumbnail of YouTube. So it's not taking a random kind of still frame. It's actually looking at the information there. Play videos. You can add more so people can actually watch a few more. I'm not going to be doing that for now. Let's go to the settings for this one. One video. I like it to be like kind of all over the screen, that just very immersive, you know. I just don't like this font here for play video. So paragraph 2. I will change that to something like this. Yeah, that's looking better. Or how does that look? It's also pretty cool. Okay, so we have our video. Then right here, I want to change the icon to something else. Upload media. I'm gonna upload our logo and apply this. Okay, and then here I want to say Ignace Aleya. And actually I want to change the color. So we will go to design. And then here we can choose a design. So we want the simple button, customize the design, change the color to white. Okay. Theme to maybe a little bit thicker, or actually it was kind of okay, or maybe we can just make it a little bit smaller like this. and bring it up. Okay. And for me, what really pops when I go to a website is when you have animations in your website. Like, it looks like a very complex website when you see some animations going on while you're visiting. So we can make it bounce in. Of course, that's a little bit too much, but a nice fade in, why not? Okay, same for the logo. Let's just fade it in. Or actually, let's spin it in, why not? Then right here, I want to manage my menu. So I'm going to now set all the pages that I want to add to my website. So now we can click on each page to start designing it. Then you can explain a little bit more about yourself with these buttons. You can also search your own buttons or change these icons. Okay, so like right here, you see all these buttons, which is really cool for like your socials, handles and stuff like that. So that's really cool. And obviously you can change the title and stuff like that. So here I can add another video, and then here we have our contact information, which I won't go into now, and then set the social link. So that's also a very important one if you are a personality or if you want to get out there. People don't want to write too many emails. I see a lot of people just hitting me up on Instagram at Ignace Aleya. So it's really important that you share as much of your socials where you are on, at least. So Vimeo, I'm not there anymore, so I'm going to remove that image. I'm not that much into Twitter, so I'm going to remove the Twitter as well. We do have a Facebook page, so I'm going to set that here. And there we go. Then we have our YouTube channel, of course, which is Ignace Aleya 1. And then we have our Instagram page, which we actually have one for Creator Galaxy and we have one for me, but as I'm the personality, it's going to be about me, so Ignace Aleya, there we go. And then here I want to go to the form settings also. So here you can set up an entire contact list, so you can set up subscribers, you can notify them with mailing and stuff like that. It's really good to have a personal connection with them. So actually right here I have these big videos, and actually I don't really like that many, so I'm just going to delete this and delete this part and this one. So I just want them to see one big video, a little bit about me, and then click to read more, a little bit of my topics here. And then I want to add here a kind of video gallery. So I have my video and music. Okay, so you can even upload music. And oh boy, we just can't cover anything in this video because they have so many options. So here you can add like music players. Look how cool these look. Transparent videos. Okay, so let's concentrate on the things we actually want to do. So I'm going to add this grid, and I want to bring that up. So the way to do that is just to drag this up, something like that. And then here I do want to show like all my videos, so I'm going to manage the videos and then upload, of course, just like how we did the other videos. I'm not going to head into that for right now. And now we have a nice row of 3 videos. Awesome. So right here we have music. We can delete this and then just drag this up. And then right here we have this contact. We can also delete that. And there we go. We can stick that. Or actually, before we have contact here, I want to add one more thing. And that's my social handles here. So I'm going to add these color ones. Bring it down. Something like that. And then I do want to center this like so. So you can add stores, blogs, bookings, so we don't really need that for my website. I'm going to close that now. And then what I want to do is go to another page. So I'll go over here to the pages. We have my bio. So obviously you can change the text. I'm not going to do that in this video. Then you can add your awards. Yeah, basically in the same setup. I do like how it looks. And then like here, I would like to change it to download, for example, our media kit. Okay. Let's check our other page. So we have our filmmaking tutorials, our short films and music videos. So music videos can actually be deleted, short films as well. We'll just actually rename this to videos. Okay, So here you have my email, and then you can go and contact right there. So you also have the socials here and here. Maybe that's a little bit too much, so I'm going to move these somewhere more to the top and maybe a little bit smaller. So like here you can start blogging, so you can add a blog. Maybe we'll add one just to showcase. And here you have your awesome blog. So obviously you will have to go and change these. Actually, this looks like where I've been on vacation too. If you check out my Instagram. And then once you're done with your entire website, you can preview it on mobile right here by clicking there. And you can customize it just for mobile, and it won't affect how it looks on a desktop. So then we want to go ahead and preview this. Looks great. This is my bio. Okay, cool. Videos. Cool. Really cool. Let's go back to the homepage. Play this video. Okay. Fair enough. Let's go back to the editor, hit the publish button, and we're done. We just created a website within, I don't know how many minutes, but not that long for an entire website that looks super professional. I think that's really awesome. You should definitely check out Wix.com. I will put a link in the description below. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for more and hit the notification bell to stay notified when we upload new videos. Also, did you see our last video? It's pretty cool. I'll link it up here. You can go and check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.